Bitcoin is experiencing here now further correction to the downside. And the question is obviously, was it that already for our bull market? So that is something that I definitely want to cover today. I also have a project review coming up, a sponsored one that I want to talk about. I will also talk about the Ethereum price, Cardano and Solana. So you should definitely not miss out on this episode, guys. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these really important Bitcoin and altcoin updates. So, but let's get here straight into the Bitcoin chart. So here we're seeing right now Bitcoin is correcting to the downside, and we are once again at the $63,700 level to test this as support. So, and I really hope that this will hold and then we are not dropping much lower, which can technically happen, but honestly I believe at $62,700 there we will again experience massive support coming in and we will bounce straight back up here. So another indication for that here on the 12-hourly chart is when I go to the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI wanted to turn already around, so and we are only 1 hour and 40 minutes out for the next close here on the 12-hourly chart. So if we would stay like this, most likely we will not see here a further turnaround. So this would go then a little bit more down. So that would be bad. So and yeah, we have here 1 hour and 40 minutes left to see what the Bitcoin price will do. I hope we will pump back up here, get into the green at least or close to it, so that the stochastic RSI can make the turnaround and get close to a buy signal again. So and that is happening when the blue line is crossing above the red line. That's when we get a buy signal, and that is normally then also an indication that the price will here go much higher. In the absolute worst case, so would we now lose the uptrend and also our bull run here? So there's a simple answer to that. I say no. So let me show you why also here on the 12-hourly chart. So to lose the whole uptrend, we actually have to break here on the 12-hourly chart the bottom of this ribbon, which is sitting at $61,300, and I just don't believe that this is gonna happen. So what could happen is that we get here into the middle of the ribbon again, like we do over and over time. Then we always get back to the middle of it, but then we see a further move to the upside here. So we should also not forget today some options are expiring, so and I think that has also a huge influence right now on the Bitcoin price moving here to the downside. So then when we're going here into our cup and handle pattern, here we are again under this massive resistance here at $64,800 that we hopefully will flip into support today. The only thing that we need for that is that the price action comes back in the next 13 hours above this line. So, and then we should be good and go here into higher levels. So also when we're looking here on our bump and run pattern, there are also no change. We are watching the same level here, $64,800 to flip this into support. It would be not that bad in the immediate short term if we would actually trade here a little bit sideways and then get above this level, flip this into support, and then move higher here. But guys, remember, I really don't see us going here that much lower. So another indication that we are not at the end of the bull run, so that is here Google Trends. So when we compare the last time in 2017 where we were in a bull run, so the interest here was at 100, so 100 on Google, which is crazy. So now we were in May this year, we were at 74. That is still not really bull run territory. So now we are at 30. So 30, so obviously we ticking here up right now because the Bitcoin price is going up. People get more interested in Bitcoin, obviously, once again. So, but we're not over 100, we are not over 75. So there's a lot of room for the interest on the internet to grow in Bitcoin. So, and you will actually see that we're getting close to the top when all major news outlets in the on TV in the news talking again about Bitcoin. Bitcoin 100,000, Bitcoin 150,000. People go crazy. People want to buy Bitcoin. Buy. That will be the moment where you should be cautious and start to sell your position, because then the retail is FOMOing into the market, and that's when you want to get out of the market. So, but where are we now compared to the last bull run? Honestly, what I believe we are here in that section. So when we're looking here, you see here 28. So just before blast off, because we had here our drop. So the drop that was down here, the last one. So then we came up again. So we had here the last drop, like here. We came up again. So here we came up again, had here a small drop, and then went higher. So that's here the same. So we came up, we went down, now we're going higher. So we should then see here really soon a blast off also on Google Trends. So now we will get to the sponsored part of the video. I was asked to do a review on a meme coin, which is not 100% a meme coin. So that is Babyflokizilla. So right now there's a huge craze around these meme coins like Babyflokizilla. So the question is obviously, do I believe that Flokizilla is or Babyflokizilla is that much better than Shiba Inu or all these other Zillas at the end, or all these other Floki coins, or I think there's also Shiba Inu Zilla. So is Babyflokizilla that much better? So when we are just looking here at the numbers, so when I started recording, it was at 27% up for today, so now it's almost 50. So there you see how volatile this coin just price-wise is right now. The market cap is just under $800,000. It's $767,000. The volume is not bad for such a small market cap. It's at $164,000. So, and the total supply here is 52,439,000,000 Babyflokizilla. So guys, please don't expect this ever to go to a dollar, you know. So this will never ever go to a dollar. The valuation would be too crazy. So please guys, don't think that this is going to a dollar. So here on the homepage of Babyflokizilla, you see that they state they want to destroy all other Zillas. So it is a community-driven meme token, but that is actually rewarding all holders in BUSD. So which is actually not that bad, you know. So instead of getting rewarded with a useless token that is highly speculative, all holders get a certain percentage in BUSD for participating in this project. So that is something that I actually like about it. So it is not just a normal meme coin. So, and they are planning NFTs for that project, and they're also looking into donations for charities, and that is also something that I really like. But I must also say, we saw this in the past a lot, where projects claimed to donate for charity and they actually never did. So yeah, we should be a little bit cautious. So when we're looking here at the tokenomics, so there is a 12% that goes to tax. So then 6% is for the liquidity pool, 4 goes to marketing. So, and 2% every 60 minutes is paid out in BUSD across all token holders. So now you think 2% is massive across all token holders. It is actually not, because these 2% gets divided through all token holders. So if there are like 10,000 holders, you get like 0.00 something percent. So really a small percentage of the whole amount that gets redistributed from these 2%. So then when we're looking at the roadmap in phase A, they have, I think, mostly done all of these things. So they have here a launch on PancakeSwap. The website is done. So they have listed on CoinSunt as far as I know. So they're right now doing social media campaigns. So, and they want to extend the lockup period. So, and then you can see here in phase 2, they have here other milestones like doing ads on PooCoin, website upgrade, announcement of Tesla giveaway, launched first NFT pack, charity donation, chilling competition, and the white paper. So yeah, the white paper is really important. So they should definitely do the white paper. So it seems like that they're actually already in phase 3 because we have the coin market cap listing, we have coin gecko listing, we have some exchange listing. So the second NFT pack is not there yet. That's what I know. So stable holders, we will have a look at the holders if there are how many holders are there. So and trust wallet logo, we can have down the road a look if there are already a trust wallet logo. So here you see there is the community leads, the team behind it. So here you have the NFTs, so they look pretty cute. But the question is obviously, should you hold them? Honestly, I will show you in a bit why me personally, I would not hold this right now. So when we're going here to the whales, so this is the contract address. So you can see here, there's the burn address, which is holding 24% of the total supply. So, and then here on PancakeSwap, another close to 9% that are in circulation on Pancake. When we're going here to the first 3 top wallets of whales, then we can have a look what they're actually doing right now. That gives us also good indication about the project itself. So here you can see they are buying. So you don't see any sell order. So and here the most recent was just yesterday, 18 hours ago, where they were still buying. So also here when we go to the next one, sorry, I have to refresh that. Let's see. Also here you see the same, just buying. A little bit of selling, but not really a lot, and then buying. So you see here the whales in this project, they are just buying. There's not really a lot of selling happening when we are looking at these whale wallets for Babyflokizilla. So when we're looking now at the community to see how strong the community supports this project, and there I was actually surprised. So we see here on Twitter, they have 4,460 followers. So, and they are pretty active here on their Twitter account with everything what they do. They do here giveaways. So they give you updates. So that's what a project should definitely do. So, and when we're looking now at the Telegram, so and here was the biggest surprise for me. They have half of their members online and active. So that is incredible. So obviously the community is not that big. So but if we compare to my Telegram channel, there's like 10% of people online most of the time. Sometimes 20, but never half of them. So and that is quite interesting that half of the community is online in this channel. So let me actually refresh that. Yeah, there you see again, it's more or less half of them are active. So now the question is obviously, should you invest in these NFTs? Should you buy Babyflokizilla? My honest opinion, I'm a really conservative investor when in the crypto market. So I don't like to invest into projects at a super early stage. I normally don't do this for multiple reasons. We have seen in 2017 what happened in the ICO craze. So and that's why most of the time I stay personally away from this. So, but if I would go and put some money on it, it would be just a fraction that I would laugh actually about if I would lose it, you know. So I would never put crazy money on this. The same with the NFTs. So I had a look earlier on the NFTs for what prices they are selling. So they're selling around 0.25 to 1 BNB, which is not a lot right now. So, but if you want to get into an early stage meme coin that has actually a nice reward system, which is here getting paid in BUSD, then you can definitely do that. So, and my verdict is I'm pretty neutral on this one because NFT is not really my game. So, but maybe somebody else from you guys sees some value in this project and would like get into this. So, but I want to now get back into the charts here really quick. So let's have a look here on Ethereum. So, and the Ethereum chart looks horrible on the 4-hourly chart when I look at this. So because we had here resistance, we hit yesterday, here again resistance, here we got close to it. So we are making now lower highs. So we don't have yet a lower low, which is good. So, but we have to make a really quick a new higher high to keep here this uptrend. Also, when I look here on the EMA ribbon, so we were already on the bottom end of this ribbon. So the price action has to come up here really quick. Otherwise, we will flip here into a downtrend on Ethereum. So, and it could be that a small one is a little bit overdue because we are here already for a long time in an uptrend in Ethereum. So when I go back here, look, the last time was like 2 months ago that we were in a downtrend for Ethereum, 6 weeks ago. So it could be that we're a little bit overdue for a small correction in Ethereum, especially when we are having a look at how much we went up since that time. So let me have a look here. So there was, all the way down there was the flip. So when we take you to the highest one, so 60% in 2 months for Ethereum, that's crazy. So even if we take it just down to the actual price of 55%, still crazy. So a healthy correction would be not the worst for Ethereum right now after such a run of 60%. I'm not saying this run is over. So if the price pushes now back up and stays in the middle and then in the middle of the ribbon and then continues to move here higher, then obviously we can still do this in Ethereum. So, but if here this hourly candle closes now like this and the next one gets under the ribbon, then most likely we are in for a small correction here in the immediate short term for Ethereum. So, and that obviously we can short. So, and if you want to do this or on Bitcoin, then you can go to Bybit or to Phemex. So you find both links to these exchanges in the pinned comment below, and you get a cumulative $5,000 in bonuses for depositing a little bit of money there. It takes only 15 seconds to register, deposit, and then to trade, guys. So take advantage of this. So, and if you want to join my Discord, then just send me the Phemex or Bybit ID, and then I will add you to my private Discord server where I update you on my personal trades in real time. If I gonna take something out of my position, when I take profits and all that kind of stuff that I share on my private Discord, and 1 to 2 signals every week. So then let's have a quick look on my trades actually. So my Bitcoin trade here, this one was yesterday more or less 100% in profit. So now it's still 80%. So it's 0.27 Bitcoin, roughly $18,000. So here on Bybit, it looks not that good. So I'm here over 1 Ethereum in profit on my Ethereum trade, and my Bitcoin trade is 7,500 right now. Underwater, minus 26%. But I would not keep this trade open if I would not believe that we can turn around here and go here to the upside one more time and continue this uptrend. If I would really be scared that we drop here now much lower and that I would get liquidated at $61,700, then I would have closed this trade a long time ago when I was heavily in profits on this trade. So let's have a quick look also on Cardano. So Cardano is here, in my opinion, in a falling wedge. So because we have here really nice support and resistance. So, but yeah, we are coming also here to an end. So only because we're in a falling wedge and it's a bullish pattern doesn't mean that we cannot break to the downside. So there is always that risk that we actually break to the downside, even if it's only 30% to 70% that we break to the upside, but we should not ignore this. So, and yes, if we would break to the upside, the technical target would be all the way up here in the resistance zone of $2.38. But if we would break to the downside, then I actually believe that down here in the golden ratio, there we would find support and get from there a massive pushback to the upside. So then a quick look in XRP. Here we see actually a nice bounce already. And remember guys, I had told you that I would expect one more touch to the downside before we go up here and potentially break to the upside. So that is exactly what we're experiencing here right now. If the candle stays like that and we keep moving here now closer to the resistance line, it could be that this will be the moment where we break it. And there I would personally take a trade like around the dollar. $1.23, like I said, all the way up to $1.30, more or less. So that would be a really, really quick trade, but you can definitely make some bank there. Guys, I have also still my paid Telegram Signal channel. So, and we're absolutely killing it. So you can see it here again. That was from today and yesterday, absolutely killing it. If you want to be part of that, now I have finally a subscription bot. Click the link below. It will take you to my subscription bot. Takes only 10 seconds to complete the subscription and to pay, and you will be then part of the channel and will get all the trade codes that I give on this private Telegram channel that I not share anywhere else. So also, if you want to make some money, definitely join my private Telegram Signal channel. So then on Solana, Solana looks like that we are trading here in a bigger broadening downwards trending channel. So here we are also getting now a small bounce here back to the upside. So here also I still wait for a break above $238 that we form here, or $246 actually, that we form here substantial support and move from there higher once again. So here the target that I had, that's invalidated because of the move to the downside. So this pattern did not play out. So yeah, it's just what it is. So, and yeah, we should not forget, guys, once again, it's the weekend. So on the weekend can happen a lot. The weekend is always volatile. So, and we should definitely be careful trading right now. So use your stop losses. We want to preserve capital. We want to trade from position of strength, not out of weakness or out of greed, and lose here actually money. Capital preservation is one of the is the number one rule in trading. So guys, so that was already the video for today. I know it was a little bit longer than usual because of the review. So I still hope that you enjoyed that video. If you did, then please click the subscribe button and also activate the notification bell, and let me actually know in the comment section, should I do more reviews? Do you actually enjoy this, or should I just don't? You know, please let me know, and let me also know, what do you think about Babyflokizilla? Will you actually buy something? I really would like to know. So yeah, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, activate the notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow.